In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect assignment links with Google Forms and Google Drive. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to gather digital assignments without managing large file uploads, using shareable links is a great approach. Here's how to set it up so your respondents can upload their files to cloud storage and paste a link directly into your form. First, ask your respondents to upload their file to a cloud service, such as Google Drive. This keeps everything organized on their end and prevents your form responses from filling up with bulky attachments. You can let them know that Google Drive works perfectly, but other services like Dropbox or OneDrive are fine too, as long as they can generate a shareable link. Next, make sure the file's sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view or download. This part is crucial. If the file is set to restricted, you'll get a link that you can't open. In Google Drive, the correct setting is typically anyone with the link, and the permission should be viewer. Encourage respondents to double-check this before copying their link. A quick test is for them to open the link in a private or incognito browser window. If it loads, the permission is likely correct. Now open Google Forms and add a new question. Click the Add Question button, which is the plus icon on the right side vertical toolbar. This creates a fresh question field where people can paste a URL. For the question text, type, "Upload your assignment here via link." Keep the wording clear and direct so respondents know exactly what to provide. In the question's description, add simple instructions to guide them through the process. For example, upload your file to Google Drive and paste the shareable link here. This line sets the expectation and reminds them that the answer you want is a link, not the actual file. When respondents reach this question, they'll copy the shareable link from their cloud storage and paste it as their answer. If they're using Google Drive, that link should already include the correct "anyone with the link can view" permission. If they're using another platform, they should confirm the link is public or viewable with a direct URL. That's it. With these steps in place, you'll receive clean, consistent links for each submission, making it easy to open, review, and download files as needed without dealing with size limits or email attachments.